Right, LAPD and Glendale Police Department doing the same thing. They're going to federal prison. 9HUG024. LAPD sounding helicopter. That's a white male. Oh no, that's a white female with a Nike shirt on, driving a Lexus SUV. She's going to federal prison. The light source is now over Alvarado Gardens, and the entity is sounding helicopter activity. That's called audible activity. And Carlo Lopez, you already know, he's on the grounds. He's engaged in group stalking. He's also a sex offender, monitoring me as I walk outside of my apartment. 7VOS 712. They're going to federal prison. That license plate's going to federal prison. And so is this one. 7Y71829. They're going to federal prison. They're crossing path in concert with the entity that is now arriving in concert with the light source that's now over Alvarado Gardens. It is not over Alvarado Gardens while it's over me at the Glendale DMV. He's already going to federal prison, and you're understanding why. All right, the ongoing facilitation 24/7. Oh no, that whole operation, they're going to federal prison. The whole property and the company, speaker companies, they're doing so. And it is, as I arrived back at what is 9:38 in the morning, the entity is greeting with the sound of a threat to your life. That is helicopter activity. Because also, I want to be clear, the demons are also hostile because they know what I just documented, and it goes against all of them and the entirety of that entity. And because you engage in that criminal conduct with such impunity, which is revealing a mental illness of a psychotic nature, you go to federal prison. Dominic CHOI does not have a job, okay? He's going to learn it formally, but he already knows now because he's a group stalker and a demon-possessed one. It is currently 9:38 a.m. P.O.C.